fished most of this day for smallmouth, and we were quite successful. We caught quite a few smallmouth bass, and we decided to put the bimini up and troll for stripers and see if there was any stripers out there. So this turned out to be a very good day. Holy crap, there's a big one. This is a big fish. Holy cow. Oh, he's taking mine.
Should I bring mine in?
Yeah, you probably should. Holy smokes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God. There's only 20 feet left. Oh, big striper. Get the net, get the net. See if I can do this with one hand. Oh,
nice,
yeah.
Frank, nice.
Woo! Yeah. What a fish.
Oh, you need to measure it.
When you've been catching smallies all day and hook into a striper, there's an incredible difference in excitement, let me tell you. I caught this guy on an 8-inch lead-filled shad rubber swim bait. This is actually a small striper and is 1.5 inches short of being legal, so we released it. There's fish in this lake that are double this size. Here's one that my buddy and I caught a few years ago. Can you bring up the... Holy crap. Look at the size of this fish. Striped bass. Clarence catches. Way to go, buddy. Holy
Beginner's
crap.
luck strikes again.
Wow, look at the size of this guy. We're going to put him back.
Oh, awesome.
Okay.
Sizey?
25 and a half.
Wow. Nice, Frank. Good
That's
job.
a big fish.
Ah, it's long overdue, my friend. Or my husband.
Woo! Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.